G'day everybody, Alex here from One Man's Camping, overlanding in New Zealand. We're just getting ready to set off on a bit of a trip. A mate of mine and myself, we're heading to the Acheron Accommodation house, into the Molesworth station, and yeah, about to set off now, and weather's looking a bit drizzle, just a bit of drizzle, bit of rain, but hopefully the weather is not as bad there. I think it's going to be around that 12 degrees sort of mark, so a little bit cooler than what we've had here in Christchurch, but yeah, it's should be good. But we'll head away now, and yeah, we'll get things going. Cheers. So we're about halfway there, and the weather has just changed dramatically. So coming through Amberley, it was just absolutely pouring down. That's where I met my mate Kyle, which is joining me on this journey. And yeah, and then sort of past Amberley, and now we've just got absolute beautiful sunshine. So it's looking up. It's looking like it could be quite good. So here we are in Hamner. Just pulled in here for a bit of a break. Kyle's going to take a piss, one of many to come. Here's his rig. Land Rover Discovery. Nice tent on the top there. And just about to go and get onto the Jollies Pass, which should be the more interesting side of the journey. Looking forward to that. They say you potentially might need a full drive to get the rest of the way to where we're going, so that'll be interesting. See how we go. Because we took the canopy off, had to use this cargo net, so a bit of plastic layering underneath because it was raining in Christchurch, so we certainly needed that. But now that it's stiflingly hot, it's a bit unnecessary, but that's alright. We might get some rain where we're going, so see how we go. But it's beautiful weather here. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to this. Once the big man comes back, and well, here he is. We'll get him to say hello.
Probably should have driven it.
Here he is. That's alright, you can say hello.
Hello.
This is Kyle.
Howdy.
Part of the journey. So, and I was just telling everybody else that's listening that you're going to be taking lots of piss breaks.
I will be.
Yep. So
that's pretty standard.
That's alright. But yeah, we're about to get back on the road now, so we'll catch you soon. This should be interesting. We'll see how we go. made it to camp. Got the camp set up. Everything's looking pretty good, as you can see. Got some saucies on. Pretty hungry, and looking forward to that. Oh yeah, there's no meat in them. Colours by all the chicken skin from some chicken factory, and there's even the beef sausages, the pre-cooked ones, are just chicken skin. And I was like, what? Here we go. Here's the setup. So we got the Mazda here. That's my rig. Got Kyle's Land Rover Discovery. This rig. He's hiding over here. Doesn't want to be on the camera. He's quite proud about his jeans. We wanted to film those. We got the Dachi Highland 1300 rooftop tents. And we got the Eclipse awning Dachi. And sandflies. Got plenty of sandflies. We got the Iron Man. What's your awning?
It's the 180 Delta wing.
Iron Man 180 Delta wing. Pretty awesome. Pretty fancy. Got some saucies on the go.
Just chicken skin.
Very cool.
I reckon I need to put socks on because these bugs.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, you can't swear on them.
No, we can swear. There's plenty of sandflies. And when I say plenty, that's, yeah, there is a shitload of sandflies here. They're driving us nuts. We've sprayed bug spray and doesn't seem to be doing much. They're relentless, so resorting to why I'm wearing a jacket and potentially going to put some pants on because, yeah, driving us nuts. But here we are at the Acheron Accommodation house camping site. We are at the bottom level river campground site. As you can see, nobody here. Absolutely no. This is what we like. Oh, he's putting socks on and gumboots. There's 3 campsites here. Got the lower level one where we are here, then there's a mid-section one, and then there's the high section. They've all got a composting toilet. I hope you can see that over there. Long drop type thing. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, we've pretty much got the entire place to ourselves. We had a couple other guys that were here earlier on by the old Cobb cottage house thing. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. Have a look through that. It's a pretty interesting old place. But yeah, as you can see, we've got some pretty good rigs here with some good tents. They are actually both the same tents. Like I say, the Dachi Highland 1300. Pretty awesome tents, to be fair. And just purchased the new Dachi 1400 canvas. Looking forward to trying that out. And another we purchased, I have to show you, is the Dachi Cobra chair. This thing is just awesome. This man needs to buy one. He's currently robbed his missus' backpack. She's probably doing without. But yeah, it's that time. Cheers. We'll bring you back when we got some food going. There we go. So just got a good old hot dog here.
Just chicken skin.
Nice and quick, sort of late lunch, early dinner.
Late lunch is 6:30.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we're probably still going to make some dinner because I'll probably still be hungry later on. But good quick feed. Did a bit of mucking around on the way here, so didn't have a chance to have something to eat. So yeah, have a couple of beers now and a couple of hot dogs. Can't ask for something better than that.
Everybody.
And
bit of mucking around, you mean by pulling out of a tree?
Yeah, who was that? Pulling off a cliff. Oh, that was some good times. I wish I filmed it. I really should have. Yeah, hopefully we'll get some good lighting and stuff going when it gets a bit darker. But we might go for a wee mission shortly, down and see the river, and we'll take a bit of footage of that. And see the nice river that we're parked next to. I think it's pretty cool. Going for a walk through the trees here from the campsite down to the riverbed. But not much of a river right here. Pretty warm in the clothing that we're wearing right now because the temperature's not that cold, but the sandflies are just eating us. Eating us alive. 11 degrees.
That's not that warm either.
No, it doesn't, but it still feels quite warm. But yeah, the sandflies are just insane. If you're coming here, make sure you bring bug spray and lots of clothing to cover your skin. Kyle's going to walk through the river because he's got gumboots on.
No, they're holes.
Holes in the gumboots. What's the point? Hey? There's a hole in my gumboot.
That's not that deep, eh? I reckon you could drive through it.
Yeah. Good luck. Well, you have to go over there. Yeah. Oh no, you get through there easy. Even in your Land Rover. That's some pretty spectacular scenery if you ask me. Especially with that cloud coming over there. This looks pretty cool. There's hills. Oh, it's best to stay out of the camera.
Yeah.
But we like to put him in it because we like to make him feel uncomfortable. That's alright. Cheers. One thing that nobody points out when they come to this place is what are
3 toilets.
the toilets like. This is just one of them.
Fuck, this is mint.
Wow.
I don't really want to open it up, but this is actual. This is way better than shitting off a tree. Got an air freshener.
This is what you get to look forward to when you come here. You actually get a pretty clean looking toilet. I did not expect that.
No.
Let's have a look.
Fucking clean, mate.
Oh, it goes quite far down.
Yeah.
We'll tie a bit of string on it and we'll lower it down.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, that's pretty good. What does it say there? Do not put rubbish down the toilet.
Sanitary pads.
Yeah, don't. If you're a female, don't do that. Wish there was a little...
Just to hold the door open to air it out.
Yeah, I'd say so. Oh, there you go, folks. That's the toilet. Just in case you're curious, when you come to the Acheron Accommodation house, camping ground, there's 3 toilets.
Lower river.
This is the lower river part. But they've all 3 campsites have got a toilet, and I presume they're all like that. So they have a pretty pretty lucky really. That's quite a luxury, I think, when it comes to camping as such.
Do you want to walk up there now and go through the house, or you want to wait till it's dark?
I reckon we go through it.
How is it dark? I'm asleep by then.
We're contemplating going into the accommodation house when it's dark. I think that'd be quite interesting, and everybody likes to point it out when it's during the day.
I'm going to turn these lights on and see how much of the power bank it uses.
But I think we do it at night time. What do you guys reckon? And then we'll see if it's got any dark spirits or anything.
17, so we'll see how long
the orange LED lights going in the Dutchy tent. They're pretty cool. There's a lot of bumblebees around here. But yeah, we'll go and check out that cob house, and I think Kyle's a bit scared, but we'll drag him along and we'll check it out. Got the setup going now that it's dark. It's very, very quiet, very calm, and the sandflies have disappeared, which is absolutely magic. So they were driving us absolutely crazy. Got the Christmas music going. Request from Kyle. Got the cooking going. Got some pasta happening in here.
Just you and me under a tree.
Chef Kyle is over here with the mince.
Looks like shit. Apparently that'll simmer down.
There's no bubbling going on though.
I just turned it up. That'll happen.
We've got a couple of little gas cookers that I think are not quite up to it, eh?
They're past their use by date.
Yeah, I think we need to upgrade on that side of things. So that's probably something that's very much needed. But don't worry, I'm sure the food will be alright. It should be good. Finally, we have got some dinner cooked. It's taken us a long time, and it's been a bit of a slow process, but it looks pretty good if you ask me. I think I'm pretty impressed considering the shitty gas cooking things that we had to deal with, but don't worry. I'm sure it'll be nice, but I'll bring you back when we've served it up and we'll be eating and enjoying it. Certainly still very hot. Would have been nice with some cheese on the top and salt and pepper.
Can't afford that.
We didn't have those luxuries tonight. That's alright.
They told
another good song.
me.
Gosh, that sounded like bigger than a rabbit.
That sounds bigger than a bunny.
Whatever the hell that was. Sasquatch. Right. Here we are. So that's the boring room there, isn't it? It's down here. That.
I'm gonna lock that monster out.
Just, who don't want to get? It's very warm in here, isn't it? That's so warm.
That's cool. Gives it retains the heat. It's that done.
Yes. dung, clay, tussock, and water used to build this place. It's a little bit of a floor plan. This one's open. This one smells a lot in here.
It smells like
Tussock.
bunny poo.
It does smell like bunny poo.
What the size of this door?
Yeah, I know. Why make it so small, eh? No, size comparison.
And I'm 5'3". It's a little door.
5'3".
I meant to say 6'3".
Yeah. Oh, shut it up. What's through here? Oh. Sasquatch.
Poker. Is this door not open?
There's so much dust in the air when you sit in the light.
Yeah, I can taste it, eh?
What goes through there just outside?
Yes, yes.
What else?
Old ninjas.
Eh?
Gangsters.
Yeah.
Everything is so
Extremely.
dusty.
It's funny during the day you just don't notice it, eh? But
Yeah. You gonna check out the garage?
well, there's this one down here, isn't it? This is the. They may have kept some sort of animals in here.
It's all reinforced in here.
Yeah, pretty well reinforced. Let's see if the ceiling's been redone. But still,
some of the existing stuff.
You can't explain the taste or the smell. It's in
No.
your mouth right now.
It's very.
And it's mutual window.
I can certainly taste it. That's where we were just before. It's on the other side of that. And you look at the walls, you know. It's pretty warm though, eh? It's just so warm.
Yeah.
They would have been quite cosy in here on a really cold night, I reckon.
Oh, it was sweet.
That door really wanted to just... It's a wee bit steep here.
You can see the cars, you can see the lights over there.
Yeah. That's our little camp down there with the wee lights.
What a steep drop actually.
It is quite a steep drop.
Well, you don't want to fall down there.
You do not want to fall down there. So we're just coming from the mid camp down to the lower camp site. A little bit of water. Yeah. Out of that tap. Or pipe, should I say. God, I wonder what that was. So much easier going down. It's a lot quicker coming this way.
This place is amazing.
Just watch, go straight through the bushes. Oh, looking forward to that in the morning.
Someone needs to take a pill in there in the morning. Eh?
Oh, I can smell it now. Can't you? Or is that you?
No.
It's not you.
Oh my god,
That's
it's
what-
their brake lights on.
Looks like it, eh?
That must be some major reflection. Is it just?
No, it looks like you've got lights on.
Yeah.
Have you got your lights on?
No.
Hey?
No, that's just how they that's a reflection. That's Land Rover speak, mate.
That is fucking... it's some Land Rover spec. It's a lot of good...
It actually looks like lights on, eh?
It does.
It's a log, don't worry.
No, look, I can't see anything now. My light's starting to get too dim.
Yeah, no lights on there.
Back at campsite. Just as the battery is about to go. Pretty good, I reckon.
And it's midnight.
And it is midnight.
12:07.
12:07.
Fucking Jesus Christ, it's way past my bedtime.
Oh, there we go, folks. That was the wee trip to the Cobb house at night, at midnight.
Are they going to
We are all packed up. It was a little bit of a chilly night. We're literally getting absolutely eaten alive by sandflies still. If you don't come well prepared, don't come at all. Sandflies are an absolute nightmare. There were just about 1,000 of them in our vehicles, which we've had to just use the leaf blowers and blow them out. But we're about to head on the road now. We're going to head off to Lake Tennyson, so yeah, I'll bring you guys in when we get closer there. So we made it to Lake Tennyson. finally. Took us about 58 minutes to an hour from the Acheron motel accommodation. And yeah, we are here. And it's actually quite nice. Not too much wind and a little bit of a chill in the air, but not too bad. And we got a few people camping. Pretty epic view up there.
No sandflies.
No sandflies at the moment. Can see some things flying around though. But not too bad. What did that sign say?
It was stop lake snow, which is a mucus.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like an algae.
Should have filmed those.
Could be why you can't drive through the fords.
Yeah, maybe. It's quite calm here at the moment.
Oh.
I'm over there is just so nice. I don't know if we can. We can't quite see it, but it looks absolutely magic over there. Absolutely magic. Well, that was a dusty road. Gravel road for like an hour.
Made me hungry.
It made me hungry too. Alright. What a cool spot though. But I can imagine it would be quite painful if it was windy. Might be time for a spot of lunch.
Well, that's it. We're just leaving Hamner Springs now. So that is the end of the journey. It's been pretty cool. It's been a lot of dust, a lot of sandflies, and but pretty awesome scenery and good company too. So I dare say that I'll do it again and probably spend a bit more time, a couple of different places, etc. But one thing that I'm gonna heavily invest in, well, a couple of things, is a better cooker, a sandfly or insect bug repellent device, and also potentially one of those hats with the fly screen over them. I'm not kidding. I think it'll be an absolute game changer. Even with bug spray, copious amounts of bug spray, those sandflies are relentless. So yeah, hopefully we can do without those next time. And maybe winter time, a bit colder weather, maybe a bit of snow, and maybe even a fire. We've got a pretty good fire pit to use, but we can't use it this time of year. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll see you next time on One Man's Camping, Overlanding in New Zealand. Thanks guys, catch you later.